Online services company Amazon recently announced that customers in Lockford, California, in the United States, would be among the first to receive drone deliveries later this year. This would be the first time Amazon makes drone deliveries available to the public. The move follows other drone delivery programs tested by companies such as Walmart, the United Parcel Service, and FedEx. Amazon said it was working with Federal Aviation Administration and city officials for permits. The drones will have the ability to fly beyond line of sight. That means they can operate beyond the normal sight of the drone pilot. The drones will be programmed to drop deliveries at the homes of customers in Lockford. The town has a population of about 4,000 people. Amazon has been working toward drone delivery for years, but it has been slowed by regulatory issues. Back in December 2013, the company's chief and founder, Jeff Bezos, said that drones would be flying purchases to people's homes within 5 years. In 2019, Amazon produced self-piloting drones that are fully electric and can carry about 2.2 kilograms of goods. The drones are designed to deliver goods within 30 minutes of purchase by dropping them in a customer's backyard. Amazon made its first delivery by drone in Britain in 2016. I'm Katie Weaver.